So I'm looking at my Toro snowblower. Excuse me, guys. Fucking Toro lawnmower. Fuck this snowblower. It only runs when it's on its back wheels. Like this. There we go. That's the only way it runs. Down here, it stalls out like it's not getting gas. So, this is pretty much just to make sure I know where I'm at when I pick this shit out. This is pushing the lever back. So, that works. Now, go up to the front and look at the carb. I hope you can see the carb. Let's see. There it is, in there. Well, trust me, the carb's moving. All right, that goddamn flashlight. It's right there. I couldn't do it anyways. So, the carb's moving. Of course, back here is a hand down here. There we go. There it is. So, this pulls back. This is right there. That pulls back. That pulls this back, opens the carb, feeds it with gas. But pull the thing back, lever back. I'm missing the action between this and that little pain in the ass. Somewhere in here is a little doodad that I'm missing, I think.